Unleashing the beast, here's the all-new McLaren Hypercar 2020, even captured in its most dramatic stance. With its butterfly doors rising like wings, the Hypercar presents an unmistakably aggressive yet elegant face. Sculpted aerodynamics mirror, razor-sharp LED lights, and a carbon fiber front. Splitter all converge to declare one thing: this machine is born for performance. From the side, the silhouette tells a story of velocity and precision. Every contour is calculated, every line purposeful. With a carbon fiber body finished in gloss obsidian black and bronze accents, this hypercar is both a marvel of engineering and a work of art. Low slung, aerodynamic through the McLaren 2026 glides like a predator in motion, even when standing still. From behind, the 2026 McLaren Hypercar is equally breathtaking. The LED tail lights form a fierce outline, encasing a massive rear diffuser and centrally mounted exhaust. The McLaren badge shines proudly above the license plate, signaling its heritage and dominance. It's not just the look of power, it's the promise of it. Inside, you're in command of a cockpit engineered for the future. With an ergonomic center console, race-inspired steering wheel, and ambient lighting running through the dashboard, the McLaren Hypercar blends fighter jet functionality with luxury car comfort. Everything is within reach. Everything is designed to elevate your connection with the road. Turn your eyes upward, and you'll find a panoramic glass roof that extends across the cabin, offering not just visibility but pure immersion. The two-seat configuration is wrapped in precision-stitched leather with orange accents, combining track-ready design with luxurious aesthetics. This is an interior where performance and elegance coexist. Under the hood lies the heart of the Hypercar, a next-gen twin-turbocharged V8 power plant. Engineered by Yared, this beast is optimized for raw speed, precision cooling, and brutal torque. With copper-tinted turbo pipes and carbon fiber engine covers, even the engine bay is a visual symphony of power and design. And finally, from above, the full vision of McLaren's 2026 masterpiece. The sweeping curves, dual air intakes, and exposed engine beneath. The glass canopy all come together to form a machine of breathtaking balance. This isn't just a supercar, it's a statement. The future of hyper-performance is here.
Thanks for watching.